Okay, so in this function is an absolute value function. So the parent function y equals to the absolute value of x. According to the front page, we can see it has the values -1, 0, 1, and plug those into absolute value, and you get a 1, 0, 1. Okay, so the changes that we do have happening here are this +2. It's inside the grouping symbol here, so it's going to apply the x value, and we're going to do the opposite of it. So I'm going to do -2 plus, -2 plus, -2 plus to all my x values. And then this -4 is on the outside of the grouping symbol, so that applies to the y value, and I do exactly as it says. So I subtract 4 from each of my y values. So my new coordinates are going to be -3, -2, -1 in terms of the x values, and then -3, -4, and -3 for the corresponding y values. So when I go to plot those, I'm at -3, -3, so here, -2, -4, and -1, -3. Okay. Keep in mind that the absolute value graph is a V shape, so the point -2, -4 is the new vertex, and this is what it should look like. All right, and that's it.